Hello everybody. That is a Smith Corona electric, and I know we've covered these in the past, but in regards to changing a belt, this one's belt is shot. So I've taken it out of the case and I've started cleaning it up a bit, but this rear belt, you can see, is cracked. Get some light on that. It's cracked and it's ready to go, so I want to replace it. I'm going to replace it with a used belt, but I'm going to show you how you get at this, because if this was all in its case, you wouldn't even be able to get at that back belt. As a matter of fact, when I took this one out, one of the two Allen screws that hold that sprocket on the end of the motor here, it's actually like a start. One of the two Allen screws in the end was out. It was in the bottom, actually stuck to the motor. So we're gonna change this belt, but I'm gonna show you how you get that to happen. So I got a parts machine, and that's gonna show you how you even get it open this far, because you have to take, the bottom off and this and that and the other thing. So I'll show you how you get at the belt, and once you're there, you can know how to do it. So you got this lid, right? Well, I've taken the two screws out of the lid, and that's when I realized I should hit record on this. But on the front of the cover, you got that screw and that screw, which are the two that I've taken out so far. And then you've got to take that part off. So that's easy enough. You just take it out of the track. You gotta find where they come out of the track. That's the piece of the whole thing there. Okay, so you get your lid out of the way, and you've got this plastic cover of the keys, and you got to take that off as well. So there's two, I'll show you in a sec, screws on either side with star washers behind it. See, on the side there? Right there, and there's one on the other side, and it's got a star washer behind it. So you want to loosen those up. I guess I got this one all the way out, which is fine, because you want to take them out anyway. And this will lift right up. There's one piece. That is your plate. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's the Smith Corona 70 or the Cornet Electric or whatever. It's all one plate. Now, you want to take the bottom 4 screws out. I've only got a few of them in here. Boy, is that tight. Leave your feet in. You don't need to take the feet out. You leave the feet in there. If I could stop. There we go. Done. This is what I get to do when I get a night off. 2. Try and get as much done as I can on my projects. I'm grateful that family gave me that one. It has a lot of years of dirt in it that I've been cleaning out of it, and I don't want to put it back together with a broken belt though, because I'd just be right back in there. Okay, the 4 screws that are holding it, that were holding the case part to the bottom, I've now removed. You'll see your serial number. There's a bottom plate on these as well. You got to get that out of the way. I had that off of there already and off of here already, I guess, now that I think about it. So that would be held on by 2 little screws as well. Take that plate out. But the 4 screws that hold the case on the bottom, now you should be able to pop the machine. See how it wants to come out of there now? So you're going to take it out of the back. Now this is a 12. Let's go. This is a 12-inch carriage. I have a smaller carriage on that other one, but see, if you watch that, I hope you're able to see this, that bracket here, just kind of watch out for that so you don't get hooked. and then you'll be able to lift it out like so. And then the cord, of course, comes through. Now you're out of that body. Okay? So that's how you get out of that body. Now, what I'm talking about for a belt here, that's what I'm after, is the belt. So here we have the two belts. And I want this back belt. So on here they have, instead of two Allen screws, they have two regular screws. I got two screws on here. So see if I can get those quick to get this off of there. Yeah, that loosened. Get this other one. There we go. Alright, and that should come right off. Beautiful. Get that off of there. You can now get this belt off. I'm just not able to get that. There we go. I can take that belt right off. I don't need this one on there. See, are these even the same? I guess they're the same size. Two good belts. That one's got a little frame. Let's take it back over here now. Okay. Well, I'm going to say if they're the same size, I'm going to take the better of the two. This front one looks pretty good here. So all I need to do here is take the Allen wrench, because it's not a flathead screw on this one. You can't be too far apart gear-wise either. They got to be. How dirty that is. Clutch. Okay. I'm gonna take that belt like so. I gotta take the motor one off there to get that one out of there. And I will put this one in. It's like when you do things like this, there's never enough light, you know? It's like all of a sudden everything you're doing there, everything just became dark, even if you have every light on. There. Okay. I'm just going to brush this clutch off before I put it back on quick, and then we'll fire it up and just see how it did. Okay. Get that back on there. So, I'll make all the other adjustments in a little bit, but I didn't think I was going to be making two videos tonight either. I just got this and started monkeying with it a little, and there. Let's see what happens, huh? Now that that broken belt's out of there, it should run pretty good. Just over a little bit. This cord is shorter. Not at the moment here, so let's get a good view. I'm going to turn this on. Oh, well. There you go. Alright. And then, of course, your reverse procedure to put it back in the case. You know, you slide the front end side. I'll use this one as the example. So you slide the front down in, then drop your back down. Be careful. Watch out for your side brackets, and that's that. Alright, everybody. So that's how you change a belt on there. Or you could use O-rings. Have a good one.